Color TV. Color TV machiegni pacho. Ma e odwa.
Inamondo miya mosi no yawre kendo nyako ram ga jwang dai kodong kanyo achiel kod nyiriri bura mondo mi ram kanyo sa ariyo kogwen maket kod maendi kaka ni wasingo ni wadhi bedo kod twak sa ariyo wang'e kaendi kanyakla kod achiel kuom jodito johera mag siasa jotim ohala kendo wuoro kendo en ng'at ma orwako gute go eko mathoth nyako ram ga jwang e Kisumu County kaendi. Anyato wadwa nono ni to ere kaka iketo jotelo Tesre mar biro neno ni weche mag dongruok od chopo ne oganda wa nyako ram ga jwang. Migosi Joseph Olale ok en ng'at ma wendo e wang' oganda jo Kisumu, jo Nyanza kanyakla koda kuom jotelo e Kenya kaendi. En modo ni mondo matwak kode okinyiri ma kawuono kuom thuolo ma kang'eny to sa achiel kech nyithindo matindo wacho ni seche ng'eny weche ng'eny sa matin. Migosi Olale kaw thuolo ni king'iyo picha ma mbele wa kani mose oganda jo Kanyanam to piny oru nade kami wuoke mak mana ng'ato chuge ode.
Erokamano. An iluongo Joseph Olale. An adak e Nyalenda.
Erokamano.
Piny oru maber. Kendo waneno ka piny dhi kaka wadware. Erokamano.
Wacho ni Nyalenda sai.
Nyalenda asai.
Wacho ni sani tinde Nyalenda yoma yoma.
Nyalenda ok rach ahinya.
Molo higni machien.
Maber kendo sani Nyalenda ok ane ka rach kabisa.
Ochiew maber Nyalenda bi?
Nyalenda bi ochiew maber kabisa.
Mano gweng' were.
Gweng' Mashumu Masan James
gi were. Ndalo moko ne kane iwuok kata e gwenge moko ma oko mar Nyanza kibiro Kisumu to mama ni penji wuoda tiyudo kar jot kanye ni mana Nyalenda ni nyathino osekethore. Nyalenda me yude ot.
Nyalenda by then Nyalenda ne rach. Sani because ne onge blockage mar ndara ang'o koro ne tek. Sani koro Nyalenda nyue ndara ntiere.
Okay.
Malam. Mano ge regime mana tiye. Ogar nyaka Dunga.
You are the pioneer
of the Tarmac Road. No, not the pioneer. I was the second lot.
County Assembly. Who was your predecessor?
Well, my predecessor was James Ogiwere.
James Ogiwere. Ni gol. En mani gole.
En mana gole.
To chako goli.
Oro
gol ruto wileru.
Okay, sani ima itimi.
Imaya temiyo ng'ane. Chieng' ma kora ber nubi chaki imaya ng'ane.
Kamano.
Koro ne gimayi gimiyo were.
Ne gimayi gimiyo were.
Ng'ama no mayi? Jogo tibu ni marach.
Mecho mar ODM no king'e.
Ija ODM?
Japati ma ODM. Kamano.
From when?
ODM has been there for a long time.
What are you doing there? Timecho?
Mane met siasa.
Okay.
Siasa met en maya timi. Mane met the current politics.
Leave that alone. ODM osegrow machalo nade Migosi Olale kwa nyalo wacho mana machok. Un jotene mag ODM ka Migosi Odinga chandre kod party ni nyaka gi sani. Ang'o mano kale chien kanyo to ODM osedongre machalo nade? Just a quick one.
Mokwongo tik abro gone jo ODM temos kuom lalo Migosi Raila Odinga.
Exactly.
Nikech Migosi Raila Odinga nogeng'o gik mang'eny. Migosi Raila okale gik mang'eny ka gero ODM. And one who were part of the fire.
Okay.
Makano wacho ni left to left, kwacho right to right.
You are the vibrant young man.
One the vibrant young man mani wacho ni kawach ni gima chal kama timore to en holiday.
Okay.
Koro agone jo ODM fraternity mos, including myself.
Okay.
Lalo Raila Odinga. ODM must grow.
Okay.
And ODM must grow.
20 years down the line.
20 years more grow more bedo a very big party. But okonya liye ni ODM ochako timrade. Ochako dog piny. No wewe lwet caretaker.
Yes.
Mar ODM Raila nokowewa nono kaka inyalo wacho ndalo wewe marach. Raila no wewe lwet caretaker. My Professor Peter Nyang'nyong.
Okay.
Emano wewe lwete.
Who is professor to ODM?
Professor by then Raila no wewe kaka party leader.
Yes.
And a founder member of ODM number 005 of the Jacom.
No. Bring that up again. Raila Nowe.
Wanokoyo lwet kiye. Okoyo nyathi kich. Raila Nowe e caretaker party leader.
Okay.
Kind of the AU. The caretaker
I remember the story about AU. Yes.
Yes. The caretaker party leader
was
Professor Peter Nyang'nyong.
Is he the current party leader?
He's not the current party leader.
What happened?
We don't know what happened between the way. And within 2 days, we have another new party leader. But we don't dispute kaka ODM. But ang'o momiyo jo ODM odhi obed piny olos odgi. Everybody nigi different things e chunygi.
Okay.
If they cannot do that, then giketho party. More one kaka vibrant leaders, mane ground rock obi yie gima chal kama timre. Party mar ODM must stand to its course. Mane jakomo timradi. Owewa.
Okay.
But kawa yie, kawa bedo piny wang'iyo kaka party mar ODM dhi kethore, to we are not going to allow gima chal kama timre. We are not going back to Misiri.
Not on your eyes.
Not on our eyes. We want the ODM to be united, kaka nen united, with one voice and one leader.
Okay.
Ere kaka ginyatimo ma. One.
That's the big question.
That's the big question. One, ano kanya chopo ir party leader Masani Burudinga.
Why?
And tell him what I'm saying today.
Okay.
Ginimbese, gi Professor Peter Nyang' Nyong'o. Why don't they call themselves James Sarengo? Gibedi paying at table, they agree to disagree. Then gibiri to ginyiso kaka joluo, gi joma luogi, ni wan koro wa agree ni party leader wa en Sani Burudinga. Ok ni ng'anyo timo mare, ng'anyo bo timo mare. Then they are doing what? They are conflicting wangwa wa force magi. When they get the bed paying, they can take this example makaka Raila na team. One, Raila de bedo piny to lungu joluo te gi leaders go. Tombo ya Labour College to wuoyo kod gini wasechopo ka. What next? Jaluo biro chung' mal to ngiso jagoro Odinga wan kata wach mane korot ni muom to adhi muom. That has not been done. Wawinjo moko ne giluongo moko siala. Kuma ji winje maber ji ruako gine teche. Yeah.
You were not there.
I was there. We were observing what was happening. It was not appealing to a real fighter. A real fighter should be called to the street. In Tombo Labour College, kumakata soda unge mangata nyalogin. Wabedo Pinto, Raila was calling us, even without water to drink, and he was telling us what was good for our head and for our heart. But Machacha was not something that we expected. We expected leaders majo dongo luo bedo kanyo, jibuoyo. Business community, jibuoyo. Then one kaka, the real people on the ground. We are given time to speak and to articulate what is important for the ODM. Mane manyalo wacho wach party wa mar ODM.
Ngama ketho party. Ulale mi wako ni. To ketho kuneno.
Very true. Party onge gimiluongo ni a unity leadership. Unity leadership ni gima Oburu osewacho. One kaka jo ground, we should take it as a holy kako wacho no. Kiwe do kama Oburu wueka to rengo bedo kacha pingo. Tino kumo bedo ka other people mantiere the same ODM bedo pinga kama wacho pingo. The leaders mag party mochune nego ema pingo themselves mokuongo. An kaka Ulali ipata nyalo pinge marom nadi. Ka the leaders themselves magore kendgi. So I would advise ODM
where you belong.
Where I belong, to go to your room. The leadership, malungore neck, the leadership malungore ni
the likes of Oburu, the likes of
Oburu, the likes of Orengo, the likes of Professor Peter Nyang' Nyong'o, the likes of this advisory mag ODM no go bedo piny owuoto owuog no oko kata gibed ma 3 days ko gichiem to giwuog no oko wes ni wan ga gima Oburu wacho wadhi wacho manga oketho gima Oburu wacho no wadhi mana lwar gelo iparo ni
what's the undoing of Oburu kier gi kany.
Now what happened to Daktari was one ok no kier marach ahinya but okoketo ode maduong' cha together. The central committee, the NEC, the committees and the chairman mag each and every constituency okoketo watch one voice kaka Raila no keto jicha. Raila Odinga was a fatherly figure.
Okay.
And then ngat maka gimoro chandi.
No wonder you call him Baba.
Yes, and gimoro chandi to luongi.
Yes.
He will call you kata kibere nyalanda ka. Chema nyalanda ko gone sim. To one de nade. To nyalando chio nade. Da unjoka gimo chandu nyalanda kanyo. Okay, kawe gino kikawa pikipiki kata kawa kati akala mori kalgo gine stadium kai bio da ira maloka. It was happening and people were visiting him. And Uguchu even unaware mikenda na nigi nambana. So that should happen to our party leader. Njomo luoro nego konye mondo this vibrancy timradi obede party.
Okay.
Party mar ODM to kwa yie. odagi en ok okethre.
Ang'o paro Raila?
Aparo Raila gik mang'eny. Personally kaka Joseph Yolali, there's a day ma ogochna nowadhi airport. Kodhi airport waberomo gi Raila Odinga. Obedo kode ka. To idno mare Raila kubiro to seche moko is somebody mohero bedo gi ji.
Yes.
And he eats before he goes to a function.
Okay.
Ko wadonjo ni to amose ni aja komedhi nade wadhi maber. To kuchiem. Amose komie oyie. Kuyieng to ayuoko. Obro ira ka. Ko
Okodango chiem to bet.
to wait. Ko bodyguard mare manonindo cha. Nisa mbona ng'ano kubuneno ko kuchiem. George. I really admire George for that. So we started eating and we were talking. Koti kuchiemu. Then karu chiemo ng'eny ahinya. Karu wuonda ni ginto kar kech ne kau. So it was so nice. We told him what was disturbing us. And they really advised us accordingly. Then watch mar Kisumu Assembly with something that was disturbing us at Kisumu Assembly. More advice of bear.
Ndalo moko mane gweru cha.
Mama no gwere cha. More advice of bear monyiso wa kaka wadhi timo. And we had a listening ear. Kendo nika gimoro chandi toka osimo go sana. Ok ong'isi ni kinyi bi kinyi. Was not postponing his problems.
Okay.
He was dealing with them there and there.
Instantly.
Koko nya kointo bokwiri. Ni mano ga ye wuoda.
Mano wedonje.
I could remember this incident mana dhi ire Dunga. Koro ng'isa ni kanyo edonje. Mano aweya sirkal botimo nade. Bro tiyogo. And I saw that everything went on well. Ma sirkal notiyo kode modhi kaka nwadware. Yes.
Up to now, one tie broad-based government. You as a people in broad-based government.
Yes.
And wang'iyo kaka wanyalo keto jotelo Tesre mondo mi watiko thuolo modong' ni mondo kapok wadhi yiero to at least mondo obi ne ogandawa.
Yes.
Wasetemo machalo nade?
Now, broad-based government is not being marketed properly in Nyanza. Market my broad-based government is poor.
What do you mean?
What I mean by broad-based government, in the same way my party ODM is doing this kind of marketing abroad, yes. There are people jumping on top of their voices. Ni wane broad-based government ndo kwa uoge. Toka piny nang'ome okidwa duoka.
Wan gi waziri.
What I'm telling you, broad-based government mondo bed marketed ni ODM nyaka bed kamoro achiel.
Okay.
Mondo ODM bed kamoro achiel, kaito gibiro to gi market broad-based government with the things ma broad-based government osatimo ne Kisumu. Personally, another vote ni Dr. William Samoei Ruto
As the president.
Okay. The main reason why they vote Dr. Samoei Ruto is not on a personal benefit. It's on the railways that was brought by Dr. Samoei Ruto. The railway, Madibedoka, they control a lot of things. And frequent accidents because of the congestion of the roads. Kon gi railway manya tingo no.
Imanyo dhial nyoro ni.
Yes. Kon gi railway manya tingo no kata na ji 2,000. It also reduce the traffic congestion.
Okay.
That is why Madi vote never broad-based government. But I'm not happy with our ministers.
Who are they?
The likes of Wandai and the likes of Mbadi.
So
I was na boka yenya. Ka president nyalo ng'isi ni tigi wi. That's a big statement in Luo Nyanza. Ni tigi wi. That means you're not using your head. Tigi wi to support your people as other communities were in that position and supporting the people in the community. The likes of Ndindi Nyoro. He don't cast feature 1,000. Where was he getting the money? Don't know kuma jogging theory.
Okay.
Yeah. So I would advise our brothers.
It was not a joke.
That was not a joke. That is for me, I take it so big. And give a kama tunga kabisa. Kanga rahiso is TGV.
Was that one day?
Both of them, they were told. They were told in Homa Bay and they were told in...
Watch marmo because sama kwandaiga.
Yeah, you know one Raila no punjo gik mang'eny.
Okay.
Raila no meko hardcore. Wakati sana ngeni kanyalo wuok to police diaka. Tata jela, ingeni kwa dhi jela. To in gi problem.
Why?
Is if we were na igola sadi, ana that you toke kocha, tapenyo ni odhi court sadi. Ingeni ni wuok sadi monang dhi court gi bond. Another ndoka kata 2 days kati to court. So Raila no make a very big hardcore.
Okay.
Nika kwalo pesa kata ka gimoro lale e odaka.
In your docket.
In my docket.
Yes.
And get 2 things to do. I resign kata step aside to team investigation. And it's not only for the Luo community, it should be for the whole Kenyans. So wadwa mawandai mopio wandai wahere but gini koro ose make or do the necessary.
What is that?
He knows what Raila taught him. And he's a student, Raila, first class. Better than me.
What should he do? Remind him. Maybe he forgot.
He cannot forget because any man who shout his voices, maybe he should resign.
So you mean he should resign?
He should quit. Corruption is corruption. Come on, docket Mari. We were taught.
Okay, do you do better?
Man, bro, watching is a nonsense and useless thing. Me watch you would man. I'm very sorry to use those kind of words.
Yes.
Mokinyi jaku.
Yes.
Iti maheroka. It's even worse in Ahera. I didn't engage.
This morning, they are killing more people.
2 people are dead.
This morning, leave alone yesterday.
Yes, leave alone yes. 2 people are dead. Jaku mokwala okwala sukuma. Kata rech. Unega gi. Jaku mokwala 400 billion or 500 million go cash. Then you press him, then your brother. No, it doesn't work that way.
The blood is thicker than water.
Should resign. Maka more blood than me and I care.
You don't want to die.
No. Unless a friend of mine.
Wanda chamunia.
Usip na romo kata impero da sarova.
Olale.
Kata romo ko de kama tell him what I'm telling you.
You're a good man.
No, kind of docket marry you don't. Kana docket marry and Raila no puja. Ana student Raila Kodinga.
His philosophies.
His philosophies. A student mare. One gini mano 12 disciples ka. One. Onung sim lagi gawe it comes.
In Maradi.
Han mara paga chia.
Jo siano wok moko kumika nganyo ni udwa ni wandachi go de la top giege wachino.
Siante juwi mang'eny. There are a lot of people who are capable more than one die. Ko gino nyako bidwa sia giero kama ber sia kunyo mondo William Rocket majaudi.
Wanda ino bedo marach karang olale.
It's not being bad. It's not ni wanda irach osabi peso lale docket mare and a lot of scandals of timre kacha. Mawane no kaji wema na tinga to kuma gingo chuma na tich kende. Eni maki wingwech. Angome na korengo mon maki wingwech. Yeah, people ran away. People are in court today.
Wanda,
big people.
Olale, let me ask you.
Yes.
Could this be a plot in which one man could be at the tail end of the year kakoro checking the year? To nyaj igamo kal manyegi tietiegi kwe. Uneno ka angomi wechegi wuok mana ka wal chegni di yiero. Ng'ato ne otiyo gi lwet wanda yaro go imach koso.
Abro wacho ni very simple. Ni mano kiko ket propaganda. E wach dongruok. Gi wach kuo.
Okay.
Motimore Kenya. Number 1. Jok momak ka gin jolang. Maruto be jalang. Jomo tich ka gin jolang. Maruto be jalang. Ang'omio mar wato wadon wir.
Nuka ujaluo seso ay doket kany.
Ne wakaw jaluo jaluo seso ay doket but ang'omio mar wadon wir. Ni wawere gi jaluo to jolang ko dala. Are we fair? Are we sincere? Ng'ato zedha dala kotimo marach. Ka josia fail ni mane margi. Giyer kata MP mane wandayo wenecha.
Just still new brain.
Bio kao kar wandaika. Wandayo dogo go poster.
What do you mean?
Ubede MP kendo.
Okay.
Kagidwa yere mago no gine. Gizi yere ya kocha giwe no jaluo cha gimewa jaluo ya siano. Kan gir jaluo.
Ang'o nyalo siemo kuom dongruok gi majatend piny Migosi William Ruto osebedo ka ringo go kaluo. Osebiro ka nyadinwoya kendo nyadinwoya. Kawuono tarik 7 dwe mar 4. Dine bed ni chenro dhi kaka nyayo chane. Tarik 10 jatend piny owacho ne duogo Kisumu. Limo skundi ewi Mama Seno. Ikiingo higni 120 nyaka ne chak skul no ero. Jatend piny owacho osebiro Nyanza ka didhigni mara en Siaya, en Kisumu, en Homa Bay, en Migori. Are we getting woodwinked? Because untie legitimate projects maringo kaluo.
Now, and gima bro wacho mokuongo en wach airport ma Kisumu. Airport ma Kisumu osebedo underutilized. If you have an app e simbika ti iketo app ne polo ka Wilwasika mondo ing'e the kind of planes mantie wiye ka. There are about 1,000 to 2,000 flights makalo e airspace ma Kisumu every day. Every day. And the Kisumu airport should be expanded more than Kakobeda expands for traffic and for tourism and for investment. I could remember Professor Peter Nyang'yo no yao terapilo exporting a pillow.
Yes, epinje maoko.
And even no airport no sebido kako yawe no with that tower and every other thing. That's an international tower.
Yes.
Should be expanded more, and even no the frequent of gikmoko machando air cha gijano konyo makoro the Kisumu Nairobi is so small, but tower cha duong ne Kisumu ka.
Okay.
Tower cho negotiate an international airport makata ndeke moko be diverted opi Kisumu ka to give some tourism opening for Kisumu. Secondly, the railways one anyisi.
Yes.
Railway is very important to me and to the residents of Kisumu. Emomi ok daer mondo Dr. William Samoei Ruto lose election ma 2027. Nikech iwinjo kaka Gachagua wuoyi wi Jaluo.
What did he say wrong?
He has said a lot of bad things about Luos.
Okay.
Yes, he has called us bad names. Chakne Raila tho wadong nyithiki adier. Seche moko winjo kaka aneno kaka Gachagua wuoyo to winya ka ywaka. Nikech oneno kaka gima onjo moran mofuo. Makia gima timo mareru no konego beni biro kata ka. Weno no beni ringo moranga. Koro kwa weyo ma Ruto lose, then that reru jogo bro diverted to somewhere else. So bedo tionjelo to have that railway so be in this kind of stages. And I travel so much and I understand the railways and how the railways should run and how many minutes it will take, and that importance mark the minutes will be very important for Jogoma Julunyans.
Okay.
Ndeche moko yao Gesuba yao Gekanye. I would say anyone according to roads on Kisumu Central, Kisumu County, we have not got a good deal in roads.
Okay.
Yes.
They're doing for you the Mamboleo.
That was long ago. That was
overdue.
That was overdue. That was supposed to be done.
Okay.
That's not in this regime. The current roads on Gemwa Yodo Kaka Kisumu County. Yeah, tell me any road, me partner Yodo Kaka Kisumu County. And I will tell you that when that road comes.
Tell us which one you expected to be done.
We expect a lot of roads.
Apart from the Nairobi one.
If you look at Aheroka, Aherongi roads munego beni bedo tamat. Because it's a hub man Michele. That rice kaka Pakistan, kizi Pakistan. Tido kama chacha export rice because they have good roads and they can get access to those very very quickly. Koro Kanye should have a lot of feeder roads matamaked.
Okay.
Kibiro kaka gine Kanyanka.
Moroni
should have a lot of feeder roads. Mabedo tamak majoka tergo niang. In Brazil, a small place like that in Moroni supplies sugar. Even Brazil supplies sugar more than in the other places.
I sympathize with Moroni. Moroni
yes, Moroni should be having roads. Kibiro katamana Kisumu Central ka.
Yes. People have roads.
Kisumu Central kanye siemna. Apart from that Nyalenda gine mana Kisipogera. Siemna that road. Inano kaka Nyalenda. Sandiki the maram you should be arrested. Nidimo Yolanda. Nyalenda is a town.
Huh?
The distance between Nyalenda and the town center of Ingodinga Street.
It's a walking distance.
And 7 minutes walk. Manong is in your town. Nyalenda we should have roads. All the roads in Nyalenda should be tarmacked. Kide Kakadonga.
Yes.
That floods man kachacha. It's just because we are lacking roads. Inena uji kacha. Ndaru nego ngata yenga. Nyaka nyamasari.
Okay.
So in Kae wabedo sadline between Ndara, but I blame Mbadi for it.
Why?
If you look at the kind of roads Mbadi Suba, why don't he give us even 50 kilometers roads Kisumuka or take Moroni?
But you can't compare Suba with Kisumu.
Yes, then the population and what Kisumu gives should even have more roads.
These people have been back for long.
But they have it's too much roads that they're having right now. Too much. And that population is not the kind of population we expect in Kisumu.
You don't want to just build the bath cake.
Okay, watch negi build bath cake. Awacheni, okay, make it, if you see the tall tree, let the tall tree grow taller.
Okay.
But the short tree should also be allowed to grow taller. So you don't concentrate in your area. Kido video leader ma the whole Nyanza. You don't concentrate on your area. Tombwa neni. Tokate mijo Nyanza ilunda. Chon katile manandara moroni. Wanjo gugine katwa ye.
Okay.
So let them sit down. Etigi wich bade bro chacha. Let them tigiwigi gin kaun ndara gikelkan Kisumu.
Okay.
Yes.
Apart from roads, ang'o mapokotim manya miyo utambolo gi chunyi mayom.
Apart from roads, kechkaji.
Okay.
People are hungry. People don't have employment. Why don't the president and the people who advise president, vice president jogi a small jobs, kazi kwa vijana, the way it was being done. Go kill kazi kwa vijana ne, jidilo sling miadek. Kiko ket pesa mang'eny, okora pesa mang'eny. Okay, it's sustainable and it can move 3 to 500 itiyo
In a day.
in a day. It's in a itiyo 6 days in a
Mention
week.
it mwacho ni wach kazi kwa vijana mane nyithindo kunyogo dago.
Yes.
Kolwaka
Yes.
nini kundi.
Yes.
Negin gik mane meant a lot to people.
It means a lot to people. People are getting income. Mimi kisa nini ka kuodu full swing. Kanga to nyalo tiyo loso mtaro chakra sa ariyo nyaka sa abiriyo. Donko dok to ol. Olukore. To kaka nyare ko papa kaka dwa ringo ko dwa mang'ato to wachni afadhali aywe karit pesa
Maracha.
eh
Hiya chaka doga.
Hiya chaka doga tiri.
It's making sense though.
Yeah, so that kazi kwa vijana also Ruto okete mondo ji oyudgo a caution.
Okay.
Ma caution.
But they gave you 21,000 the other day for Nyota, young people.
I would say that 21,000 is not sustainable.
Okay.
They're trying to make it a wangji. Mondo look something is going to sustain. 21,000 kumi sani to sechimo kumi go kionge rent. Alone without mat in grand mat 5 months. Landlord wa kumi 15,000. What do you do? Kichute manyandagi wachulo pesa matena alfa day.
Like 5,000, maybe on the highest 5,000?
Yes. Kurumi 21,000. 10 grand ma 5 months.
Just even 2 months.
Donga tiga mijo kata 2 months mada awunda ki manyalo tim kodo chimu be yonge gewa. So sustainability of a project should be it on the country and the country cautions you.
Okay.
It happens everywhere in the world. It happens.
Itemo wacho mheshimiwa ni kikao sling alufu achiel imiyo ng'ato sani. To samoro kikonye ahinya nikech ok ibobedo kikonye pile.
Kikao pesa miyo ng'ato sani to kijabedo kikonye pile. That is something
It's not sustainable.
It's not sustainable. But kimiyo ng'ato teach. Monyalo tiyo.
Chalo momiyo ng'ato low.
Chalo ng'ato miyo low.
Okay.
And I will tell you, Fadi Vijana Mokalachari reformed a lot of people. You know, people who saved and bought motorbikes with that.
Okay.
Yeah. So, ibro de noka kazi kwa vijana no. Bro caution di. Secondly, I know ka yogi way about fishing.
Okay. Makure.
Ma the Lake Victoria.
Reached onge koso.
Right ni tiere, but how it is being advertised as a government is not the way it should be. Fishing maka should be exported and be done as a business. Wewe joma dhiye namwe. Gini kikelo chiemo chamoka. But fishing maka, you know, China, if you look at fishing in China,
yes,
they don't even have freshwater lake kaka wangone. We can do that even better.
Okay.
Ma kumino payas minen losoka should be made international price majibiro manaka ka omana rech kidi chamo rech America. Keche ibro do kana ni jomo ko ni ngege betindi buk China. Ngege sani buk China me chamo America chamo gore buk China. And we are the pioneers of that natural thing. Momi wa okay.
Okay.
So we should arrange that on how the national government it can employ thousands of people around the lake. So that one also can be done.
And bringing you back to this your ODM thing.
Yes.
Nyoro ne jatend jakomaro ODM migosi Gladys Wanga nyagin umoroni kendo jad bura makono apane seneno ko onyango koyo wuoyo.
Yes.
Kendo go kweporo mu market kod mano. What do you think happened? On an honest opinion.
Yes.
What happened in Moroni?
My mind from the start, our party leader, Dr. Buru, Nyaga called order to his house. By calling Ole to his house is not calling Koyo, calling Wanga. Or mind the pioneers, Magodia. Kumotingo Professor Peter Nyang Orengo, and Uwon, and all the people who pioneers Katamago are not Luo Nyanza people.
Does he know them?
He should have that list. He is the brother to Raila Odinga. They are the pioneers. The church of ODM. Yes, he should know everybody we are talking about.
Okay.
So he should Okonego.
Why are these people necessary? The likes of Nyongo. Nyongo have been silent, by the way.
Nyongo is silent, but he has supporters like us. Yes, not one. He has so many supporters. He has sympathizers. He was the caretaker. We sympathize with that, how it was grabbed from him. It's not a joke.
Who grabbed it?
We don't know. That's what
when Raila was going to AU.
Yes, he left Nyong.
I know.
As the caretaker.
Party leader.
Yes. Then what happened? Can you tell anybody? No, not even you. We went when? Haywire. It's the problem we are facing now.
Some people met in the night, Olale.
Some people did not go and pick Raila Odinga just to discuss about ODM. They didn't. They lied to people that are going. Like that's all, Junet Mohammed.
When what happened? When Raila came out?
Canada told the Raila. Makoro chiwo order ni Raila konya kongi KQ. President chiwo order. Wangeni jitete wanobete TV ukawa wangeo kaka jizazi Nairobi. Ndegigolo no live kaka rengo. People did not go.
Rahul 001.
Rahul 001. People did not go. Did you not go?
Who didn't go?
Junet Mohammed did not go.
Why?
Did he go?
Did he tell you why he's not going?
He pretended to be sick. I see everywhere in the media. He pretended not to be sick. He pretended. And they came and make ODM. We cannot forget that.
Where was Anyang Nyongo? Kanig Magita Timbre.
He was sideline. No me hand off. Bise gompera. Kumi hand off till war kuchu. Il war mo ki duogo. To ref me mananga red. He was hand offed.
Well, how do you know all these things?
I know this thing because it's in the public domain. And give money media. Ngamanora ilo wewago. Caretaker. Kata ininge ni na nya. What happened to him? Did you sit down and say Nikora Nyankuru Bedoko Mondo Agil? It happened within 2 minutes.
The thing you are tackling, Olale,
yes,
and gima jimangenya sebedoka penjere buopi. Nyitendo mangenyo wacho ni chini ya maji.
Yes.
Number one, wapenjoga ji gimomio the Professor Peter Anyang Nyongo mani wangeyo is no longer acting in party affairs.
Yes.
Party matters.
Yes.
Number two, somebody may assume him being near the last 10 years samoro kone tiende modo mi wuothe gik mangeny. That makes sense to me.
True.
But you are now bringing ikaw chumbi iporo ya dola nango. Ango manotim ni Nyongo ma would me.
Okay. I would say what I feel kakulade. Kichana ungi na
Ni wacho ai chunyi.
Ana wacha ai chunya.
Okine mudi tim
bija. No kan Raila inso gani wakana ichunya ka.
Wacha.
Ana wacha. Don't. So what happened where the problem started, the professor, is when Raila came from UAE, Molando Mombasa.
Okay. After he lost.
No, he went to Dubai.
Okay.
The first trip to Dubai.
Or the UAO.
No, the UAO.
According to what we were told.
No, the UAO.
Yes.
But what we know, no, the UAO Theatre Martin.
Exactly.
Yes. So when he landed to Mombasa.
From Dubai.
He landed.
Watch AU Corona was
saying.
Exactly.
He landed to Mombasa.
Exactly.
Land to Mombasa. To whoever Raila always consult. It's about 3 people. One, number one, Munyako consult then Professor Peter Nyang.
Okay.
He would talking to him. 2 and 3, I would not want to say.
Okay. Hold it at that.
I'll hold it at that because people will pay a lot of questions that will bring that. But the person he will consult. So when they ran to Mombasa, he consulted Professor.
Okay.
And told Professor na donjo Mombasa ka to mtigi muda timu wangu ikir.
Jotelo pinyo wacho.
Pinyo wacho. To explain the Professor see.
Okay.
Professor gino kikete ko kimondi. Bi Kisumu wangi documents no gi wakilis magwa.
With our lawyers.
Yes.
What was it? Do you know what they wanted to sign? Up to now Busenge gimani gidokete.
Up to now pokone gimani gidokete from Mombasa.
Okay.
Ko biro Kisumu owo Mombasa direct to biro the Professor Miligonika.
Okay.
On a white shirt and a very nice shirt. Kichwani gino wale Raila kumoma Raila ndani pup.
Unge muche.
Wame mjobere bila kama. Wange. Kobedo kanyo, they discussed, they talked. Koro professor may advise.
At the end closed.
At the end closed.
Okay.
Professor may advise, now you have to move to each and every what? Each and every county.
Okay.
To create this idea.
Was it the thing Manerala Timo Manyo Pacho paying something
Correct.
in the county?
Correct.
Okay.
But Jomoko ne don't allocate Lodesano for the agreement between him and the president.
Okay.
Korka gibedo piny to gi Raila wuoyo mo gitie kuma professor Nzeka Yakoro kisengiso jogi. Now they go and talk to them,
To the people.
and kose work with the people.
Okay.
Now you are free to get a lueti.
Okay.
Man Raila the Timrali. Okay, luete. And they agreed Ruto no the tiyo kama gikama on written agreement.
A memorandum Monday paying.
Monday pay. Kuno mrana Monday pay ngi. Emanaka de setimo kaito ahitas magrai mag professor ochakugi for that from. Kwa kwa bwana ni okanya a good what? A good leader. He doesn't like William Samoei Ruto.
Haters man.
Haters my professor. Even if you have a haters.
You know them?
I can guess.
Okay.
Yes.
Who are they?
I don't want to guess it here. But they hate us.
Okay.
Yes.
What did they hate him about?
Nobody likes the truth. Yes. Nobody likes the truth. Yeah, we know it was a dear.
Okuloni be honest.
I could only be honest. Again, it's in honesty of charm.
Bamano, what happened? Can move in your sebelo. Come on, why your pain?
We adapted the documents and everybody, Major Kenya, Jalur, adapted the documents. Makuro Wamira, like green light, not to negotiate on behalf of the ODM. Then the Secretary Magalo Chocobedo. Then of the India. Then Timraka Cotimbrano. So it is something Makatawano Kawagi walk. From there, in between the Magik Mokotemore, nobody can explain Yakasani, Kakaudia Muka, Moringoka.
The paroni governor, you not emoting or do on the bang man or I need you through again, or can Kakutereni.
Now, that is now something that I would want to explain.
Not emoting or do on the bottom of your coin or coin your DM.
Sunny people are going to go to Governor Nyong. Yaka Jomok Dwareka. It's coming, the time is coming for advice and how to manipulate, how to talk to people. He is somebody who has the brains to do that.
It's very key.
Very key in this wangling Mokomane Nokani. Now, were they we jogi kwane jinyisoge? They were only giving me zoning maki kelo nokani. We could not be having it. They rushed.
Before we go to zoning.
Yes.
Angumio Kavijet and Pinawachi Migosi William Ruto, Biro Gwenge Makalu, Ngaina Kwane Migosi Anyang Yongebate.
Nyang Nyong is always a special person. Very special.
How special?
Special in that he likes, you know me, I know a professor. He likes articulating Gikmakonyo Kisumu. Mane Yaoreruka, he was not there. He went to Uganda for a very important function in Uganda.
But there, I was not in that function that day.
Yes, but I'm telling you, he went to Uganda.
Yes.
For a very important function.
Who was in charge? Daktari?
He gave a mandate to Daktari.
Okay.
That one is not there. But a professor always want in anything that is benefiting, you tell him the short term, the middle term, and the end game. But killing is a salad or girl, Michel Kama. You know, bring me to watch a new lalene. We are Ketare. Nyakobili short term, middle term, the end game. If you don't have that for him and that is writing, he'll pin you down, then he's not going to come to your function. So, in Oneno Buruburu, Moro Nyanzaka. Ruto Biru Buruburu. What's the Gino Timore? Magicho Rengo Moengo Jite.
What do you mean?
Yes. That's why people want zoning now. Ruto se biro mo donjo ground manyanza.
Moso
chindegete maka samina ji.
Mubedo siepe.
Samana ji go kukubandocha. To jogeni ground ka be campaign gi UDA.
True.
And they are giving money.
True.
And they are campaigning. And they have gone under. Kuru jo korea lazim jo ko sedonjo. Kuru gidwa zoning. Where were you? Canning is in Los Guinea. Winnie talked about it. Winnie Odinga talked about it.
Okay.
In all the two occasions. Winnie
know what you know.
Kanyalo Paronu. We know let us think the people we left behind us. ODM waparu jomantie chien in terms of employment, in terms of structure of ODM, in terms of she said very clearly. So jokoringo kaparndo magi party. Nya Island waka party kendo. Hapana. But geringo man tech.
Magi kalo lane.
But on the opposite direction.
Okay.
Ko sani nya koro giduogi ka gwacho ni wadwarango. We want ninga zoning. No way.
Nikoro gi wach zoning no roma ile no kod migosi olale emo wakago yo moro mokwongo. Ko duogo to ada penjo migosi olale ni tango momiyo ka un jomo tegno kendo ngiro re party zoning tuluro nango amount pi machok waduogo.
Komuch to wan kode duoko mag tuke mopogore opogore, jotugo motimogi, kuonde magitimogie, to gin tuke magi mabiro. Mano emomiyo wan ka e chenro mar chal pewe tudri kodwa wuok tich nyaka tich abich saa 11 mar midhiambo nyaka saa 12 mar midhiambo, kama wanyisi motimore e pewe duto mana e Kala TV.
Tok bedo kod odiochieng' marabora e sikunde ka iduogo pacho, yud thuolo mar kweyo pachi kendo bedo gi mor e chenro mar Bang School. Chenro mar Bang School chakore saa 10:30 ma midhiambo nyaka saa 11 ma midhiambo. Kama inene katun mamori, ipuonjori weche mathoth, ibedo kod mor gi nyiero motimo Cathedral. Kik bai, Bang School, chenro manigi mor lilo ne nyithindo duto. Kala TV, machiegni pacho ma e odwa.
I've fallen and I can't get up!
Be in jalno mamanyo gige gedo motegno, mabeyo, mabudho, kendo ma opodhi? Chom mana Gomikos Company Limited man kod mwandu mag gedo kama oting'o renge kaka Crown, Basco, Duracot kod Sadolin. Bende wan kod renge mag exterior kod interior ma koth ok kethi, roof coatings kod wood finishes. Wanyalo kelo ni simiti modhuro kata mathoth ka idwaro. Masonry, reinforcement materials gi professional project support and consultancy. Wayudore opposite Regnal Petrol Nyamasaria, machiegni kod County Concrete. Tudri kodwa e namba simu magin 07 14 49 54 0714 495674 kata 07 28 66 38 55 0728 66 3855. Gomikos Company Limited, your trusted building partner.
Machiegni kendo nyakora mga jwang bang' modho pi machok kendo waduogo dakika 42 bang' saa 2 kugin maket kod mani. Sai makro dhi migosi olale to ni wacho no wach moro mar power. Ok en power.
Zoning.
Wach power kilwa.
Zoning.
Uso power biro bang'.
Power bentie kanyo.
Okay.
To zoning emo wacho wach.
Now, Mombasa dhano ochiw kago koke wach zoning ni. Kisumu ka buluro zoning. Kun gi thochu mung'eno nyalo dhi kata manyo governor. Uriuru gi jo yudi bokel mana margi. Richo ni kanyo.
Joma go koke wach zoning gi joma dwa zoning gi joma dwa zoning. Number 1, joma dwa zoning should be very honest. Na joma dwa zoning. Joma dwa zoning they should be very honest gi joma dwa zoning. Number 1, kantiere free and fair nomination e party mar ODM. Why do you need zoning? kichi the year free and fair joma the year go nomination
Gima
chak gombole national election angomio iwacho zoning sani now joma be dwaro zoning joma ok dwaro zoning ka gimi nyaka gingi what the president might lose when it comes to 2020 what 27 but for me I will not care about zoning or not zoning nikech dhano dwaro ngama dhi tiyo negi jatich ne jopiny jatich ne jopiny is somebody who is ready and going to help the people so gima da kwagi negi the team free and fair nominations only.
This is a song you people have been singing year in year out Olale. Free and fair nomination, where is it bought?
Free and fair nomination inya time we yorare odiem nigi pesa odiem is billion odiem is a billionaire onyalo keto joge in the ground mondo winjne ni to justice ni ben gi oteku
Bijiwere
bijiwa oteku
okay
tindiko ne oteku ni Olale ni oteku no chopo kanye tindiko ne oteku ni kose ndiko oteku ne
with honesty
kose ndiko oteku ne to ikawe tilungo gi tingso ni justice oteku ne 80% Olale mari 19 jomotime en Jokala TV emotimo dhiso oteku kori saponi yu mondo winjru uneka konya timnade kakunya chatwe Olale zanya anokanya bidu 19 tero ure debe
mondo debe podwa koro timo gini piecemeal wacho ni Kisumu Central wangeni nitie a lot of controversial wadhi timo election kawuono to jo ODM kabiro ka te ngamo kelo lweny bedo itero oko ngama oyombi bingiso no yombe honestly embo neno ko yombe point blank ngamo timo kamano lweny mara moko wuok lweny ma lweny wuok e policy ma pa ningo kelo lweny no lale Olale mono biro gi
yola mo biro kanya ka waro mutombo iwa wagino kara kora ko yiro mutombo ko jidhi bedo discipline kadwaro ticket mar ODM but kiwacho no zoning to wang'e ne udhi luoko jomoko kendo jomoko nigi sami na wuok ni jomoko chako wuotho town ka wuotho tendegi ng'ene wan ma ODM dhi dawa wan mo nigi ticket mar ODM will not work this time. You know Raila. People respected and feared Raila.
This time round
It is Raila.
the spirit is still alive.
Spirit ma Raila entiere tingi kwa president nti kumwini.
How did you know that?
It is there. Have you seen Winnie entering into
A podium.
Even a podium that is not hers? She just come home walking barehanded, even with a trouser with no pockets.
Then what happened?
Everybody stands up and cheer him as Baba. She's the little girl Baba sang for us. That's the spirit.
You're not honest, Olale.
No, that's the spirit.
You know the song?
Yes. Sad to say that I'm on my way. Won't be back for many a day. My heart is down, my head is turning around. I have to leave my little girl. Mane Winnie, Kisumu town. And the mano wago.
He got you in a Winnie Kibiroga.
No, I'm going to number Winnie. And I jugi mamaka. Nike jugi ma Winnie no mako jaluo te. Kikiwe ni ankande kata inwa nini kande. Aneno ka in kode.
And jogi ni owe babu win.
No, Babu is a first jogi.
What do you mean? You can't speak like that, Olale.
I want to tell you about it
again.
No, Babu, wakiwa wachi
Okay, fine.
this is Makura Mbaka. Number one,
Defend your point.
Number one, Babu does not want presidency. He doesn't need that crowd, my president. He doesn't need that big crowd, my president. Babu dwaro bedo governor makanye. Nairobi. So Katanula likes myself. Nangomi walk Nairobi. Ubro campaign Kisumu. Tejo Kisumu te kokona Nairobi. A concert in Nairobi.
Okay.
Yes.
Kor kadhieli el moro seme to josema cha ogona koko mono ko raja. Asa ketho kanyo lale.
Ok ni ketho. Owacho ni buche waneno ka gigoyo gi sofona. Gin jo ODM. monego bed ni gibede bura bucho buru mana nyisicha to giwuotho giringo koni gi koni. It's pull and pull, which you should not see as Luos. They should sit down and talk. And kodwaro governor ma Nairobi, owach na odwaro governor ma Nairobi, obed Nairobi, o campaign, miye ticket, odhiyo miye ticket.
Okay.
Yes.
Do you think you can win?
Nairobi, Babu is going to win 100%. Babu is popular in Nairobi.
That simply means you're not hating Babu.
I'm not hating him.
But you just don't want him to be the Luo kingpin.
He's not being a Luo kingpin. Luo kingpin is no, there's no election man Luo kingpin king. You go say, when you Luo kingpin, you're going to come win your ding. You would see it in anywhere when he goes. In an ODM. Special delegate meeting.
Yes.
Those are special people that were selected by people who are top organs in ODM, which Winnie was not involved.
Okay.
When you get into the ODM meeting, Kumajo Kisumu second one this support and another support, when you get and stole the show. When you stood, that meeting was stopped
At a standstill.
as a standstill for 10 minutes. Kawini was walking inside. Microphone, maybe we're walking out wind. That is how Jogi won. Did you see Mombasa when you get into Mombasa 20 years? Mombasa. And did you hear the speeches Magwin? When he spoke like Baba, talks about the youth, talks about unity, talks about getting everybody together. That is what a party leader should do.
You have a party leader, Oburu Oginga.
Transitional. He says himself, he's transitional. He wants to give it to the young people.
Okay.
That is why we are supporters Magbaba, a champion member, we know by deputy party leader, party no kwa diwa nengato.
Is he going to clean that?
Going?
Winnie?
No, he does. The party leader, Jogi, does not allow, they should not be accepted to be appointed. You fight for it. And I fought for in his dad's party. You fight for it. You're not going to be picked in a party leader. No, it doesn't happen that way.
You want your name Okumi?
Okumi. You get your way.
Kata momo wacho ni pinyi guth pole yako.
Idonje okuyot. Idonje mana kidgiro jiko. This is what Winnie is doing. Winnie is always fearing Oburu because he's the dad.
Respecting Oburu.
Respecting, yes.
Okay.
Because of the dad. Why it nene anemano yera party leader.
Dose kalo kodi.
Dose kalo koda chondo tinga maningu. Tumano ria wana koda now.
Why are you guys not respecting Raymond Omolo? What has Raymond Omolo done to you in ODM? You people want to send Omolo home, why?
You see, I better perplex watch Raymond Omolo. We inje kone.
Ogo boom boom.
And watch my kone. And they watch into Raymond Omolo teach.
What do we get us to cause?
I have two things. Number one, can't you such a letter man route? The allegation should be tabled to us.
If somebody can produce it.
Yes, ni maibarua manudikne William Samoei.
And the content.
And the content.
Okay.
And who wrote it? Okay, some wrote it yours faithfully, Joseph Piolali.
And the signature.
Morwane ni maya wouldn't jokanga.
Okay.
You know, I am not a fan of Ray. I'm not. But what Ray has done to families, anything managidona small America. Building a house for widows.
Yes. Which is biblical.
From the scratch to the roof. And my friend, a permanent house. Another mabati.
That's true.
Mabati just suit mabati nyalenda.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Yes.
But Ray get permanent house from the scratch. Okure kwa naskatangano. The fear here is not about Ray being interior. The fear here is Jidwaro Gimilungone. People Dwaro Gimilungone kingship. You know,
okay.
That is not the fear that people have.
Value Nimondo bedni. Is that thing what they value most? Because again, take him value more nito ngruodwa.
No, Uganda value. Sani the kingpin. Madhi bedo mami okeno ka jomoko gwelore yo molo. And the king madhi bedo ngama konyo Uganda in terms of income generating. Okay. Rayo semi a lot of youth piki. Moso in Kisumu. Anawacho Kisumu tange.
Exactly true.
Rayo semi a lot of Luos tuk-tuks. Rayo semi ji income generating money.
Yes.
Magi chago hala. It has happened. Ray also support funerals. ng'ata chiel ine ka ng'ato mi 100 or 200,000 a year ing'eyo tingo liend no that I've seen. So jogi joma goye gi kaponi it is something that we are hearing gin joma lawo dwar they also donjo some hearts of people an poko konya but aseneno joma konyo.
Okay.
And it's
Se winjo sigana.
Aseneno ok na winjo.
Okay.
Asebede liel kama malilo moko maji yulo 200,000
Maji
na janyalenda makata no gine ka maji yuwe liel. Aseno kijana matingo mukila ka pikipiki omiga pikipiki mayelo nyionge kata gima timore ka neno kama ang'o ago ng'ani nango ana dwa goye nango to ng'ama goye no poko nyiewo kata ng'ato patko patko tell me ng'ama osenyiewo ne ng'ato patko patko minyiewo ne ng'a biche duka poko nyiewo ne ng'ato to sadi koro yware kode an kata na dhiye kode no koro daktari magik ma daktari koro nego ng'i.
Okay, that's Dr. Buru.
Yes, okel jogo together. Ong'isi ma be wuodwa. Kako yog no ndai wuodu cha. Ma be mana
in mana serikal.
Men mana serikal en marwa.
Kikwago soft okay.
Kikwago uru ahinya. Kikwago uru ahinya. So that should also happen.
Quickly, what was the undoing of Sifuna? Sifuna is another traitor.
No, Sifuna is not a traitor.
Okay.
People are looking for power. Power moro buruja. Imagine your ODM.
Kuro yomin luwego makuro pogore.
Ineno Sifuna gene. Somebody like for Sifuna and Babu Weno. They saw ODM going to Anyang Nyong'o. And it did not happen how they thought. Orange Democratic Movement to move. Sending into a move or zero move.
Walk from the expected Anyang Nyong'o.
Or walk from the move zero move. And people expected not the way Kumanyang. It did not happen. So gima timore ni Sifuna koro fail ni okunya tiyo with these people moluongo ni jomuti. So gino be inye ni en odwa chung kaka ng'awa kaka Sifuna.
Okay.
Although make his name as a brand. He's used a lot of propaganda. Moloso his name as a brand. Manyige no there.
Okay.
Very fast. So you know think ni Ojalo be the president of Kenya. Right now Sifuna is confused.
What do you mean?
He doesn't know to be a president or to be a senator. Okay. Get you confused. Neither be the president or a senate. That's why now Gibran Nokagi push a rank to be the presidential leader. The Sierra is also somebody who would be capable of running.
What would you advise Orengo? Should he retain his CI seat or go for presidency?
Mandok dienda ngato. Raila nawewa. To anybody now should vie for him of fail it's possible for him to vie. Orengo chunga president kamano chimoro no negotiate kode kata en. In negotiate the negotiation was Giruto is premature. By starting a lot of people, and they thought it was going to be a blanket check, which is now turning to be opposite. Ruto on the ground, kending at a chair. Koro Joka realized ni Ruto on the ground, Koro di work. Canning is no grouping, or bedrooping, or doing negotiation and return, getting or getting money. It's brokers.
Okay.
Yes.
Political brokers.
Political brokers. And I can name one.
Who is that?
Junet Mohammed. He's a broker.
What do you mean?
Junet Jakanye.
We don't want to go to be tribal.
No, it's not being tribal. Inyal dwok ni ji not Jamigori, dongo migochone. Inyal dwok ni Junet Oria. It's not tribal. Junet Jakanye.
What's wrong with being Oria or being Jamigori?
Yes, that's what you did. That's why I ask you. Like it's one, Junet cannot dictate laws the way it's dictated. He said clearly, mimi sitaki, chama ingine ya si ODM hapa Luo Nyanza. He said clearly to Ojagi.
He's defending your ODM.
He's not defending my ODM, he's broking with us.
What do you mean broken?
He's a broker.
Is he the one selling ODM in the night?
When he said it,
That?
even mentioned names. Some people are working with the ODM at night.
Hawking ODM.
Hawking ODM. And he said, she's clearly said they were hawking in State House. Kosodoki Winch.
Who are the hawkers of ODM?
I saying you see one person.
Who is?
The chief hawker. Chief can do net.
You can't be serious about that.
I'm serious. You cannot dictate laws. And yourself, you're not one. Not somebody from somewhere.
Jaluwi manyaka makwidhia.
ODM ne oktokowe ne ng'ato. Ma tokowe ne ng'ato. Ma ke buruno be okonyo kanyo madicho ma wapama pam.
Quickly, Simon ma wango dako sidonganya chielo rom kanyo sa adek mondo watiek chielo niro dale. Ka inyalo tim yiero kawuono e Kisumu County. E Kenya. Ni wacho ni biro lingo ombulu ne jatend piny owacho Migosi William Ruto.
Yes.
Kaka jatend piny owacho. Who is your governor?
Governor Malu.
Who is your governor? Kisumu. Don't check Kisumu.
Aja Kisumu. And Governor Podenanyang. Podenanyang Nyong.
But he's shedding off.
Yes, he's retiring.
Who is in your heart?
My heart.
Who is in your heart? Governor Mane Chunyi for the next election?
No, in my heart I support all the governors. But do you Penya knew who has a lot of votes as at now?
Who has your vote? Leave alone a lot of votes.
No, I don't mean my vote will go to a lot of votes. Deep Penya knew has a lot of votes as at now.
Okay, who has a lot of votes?
Honestly speaking, number one with the votes here is Dr. Joshua.
Up to and including your vote.
A lot of votes including mine. Followed by Joshua Dongruok. Yes. Joron started campaigning. Immediately he swore in as an MP. And he has moved everywhere.
So he didn't get satisfied with the MP seat. Immediately he's hopping up.
Immediately he hopped up. And he has done it so perfectly for the last 5 years.
Has he delivered in Kisumu Central?
What is there to be delivered in Kisumu Central?
Why was he going for the post?
He was going to work for the Kisumu Central according to the man. What is there to be delivered?
That's what I've asked you. Has he worked?
Yes, he has worked.
What do you
But
mean?
schools in Mogero. In roads kaka manyalanda makono nika. He built them. The drainage manage chando jine dar kasani jine dar nyalanda. Kono luchu kosma jine.
How do you call that village down there?
Kapothe. Kacha jido dare. Basanu Keto flow of the water. Makiti watching Dr. Joshua Jokanyalo lavi coach because they know what he did to them. Jokapothe, including me. When I'm
You're also Kapothian.
Yes, I'm also Kapothian.
And Koro Unawar?
Yeah, Duma is making his inroads now. Because you know, Duma is a politician. He's a very big politician. And he knows what to press. And he stayed at what time he stayed in ODM for long. And I know he believes that this is the right time.
So what are we looking at? Are we looking at Ngamose Bedo Jatene Maro DM Mabedo Governor Kisumu County? Kosango Maune Wangi Maduong.
Jalumo Kongo, Nyoga the best politician.
In what aspect now?
In talking.
Articulation. Oration.
Yes. Manigi Jalungi.
Ngamaya
Nyoga Reyo. Nyonga Makonyogi in terms of funerals. I am very sorry to talk about Professor From Ojienda.
What's wrong with Ojienda?
Ojienda is giving a lot of money in funerals, but he's not folding a shirt to attend the funerals. What you got 100,000 a year? To call person no you extend Ojienda okay person. It just look like imaginary. So he's not.
You just don't like Ojienda.
No, Ojienda is my brother from in the house. The same, the lower brother. I'm just telling the truth. Ogru pesa mangenya lian tokolo lian no jalu Dr. Joshua Dongruok oro 5,000 or 10,000 to bi lian no mo article ne joka duga winjo watch.
Okay.
So the three people are now going to contest highly on this.
Why are you sidelining Matthew Willie? He has been peaceful with the professor throughout the time. And Tichtire, as you say.
Correct. But he has not come out very strongly on this.
But he's still working. He's still the DG.
Doesn't matter. Is Ojienda not working as the Senate? Is Adoma not working as an MP? Or Ron is not working as an MP? Should come out force. jalubo ero ng'ama thuon. Jalubo dwa winjo wach kanyo madhiye kanyo ma jidhiye
Urakru kode.
eh.
Nyaka mami, your friend?
Nyaka mami, a very good friend of mine, but pok wacho nodwa gavana, pok awinjo koch nodwa gavana.
Oh,
Pok awinjo.
you're not becoming
I'm only hearing pum kuom ji, but pok
Ima poko nyisi.
pok nyaka mami en ng'ama jasiasa. She will call you in a group and tell you pokulu nyanto kae madhiye. Pok awinjo kumulunge grubno. Awinjo maka ji wacho nodwa gavana embo wacho kata ma ko wacho achiel to ko chomre gavana ter.
To kapod ochomre go sani makoro owuok e lela.
Ing'e nyaka mami.
Would you vote in nyaka mami?
Nyaka mami, there's a day chien kachacha mowacho honesty about ODM.
Yes.
She said honesty about ODM. Everybody was looking for nyaka mami. Nyaka mami wacho mo ODM kachacha modwa balo kata gi party leader. Ma ji wacho ni kare nyaka mami makoro ngiso jogi adier. Then ochako retreat.
Ng'ich moro make.
Ochako retreat.
Yes.
But sachacha no se dhi gi honesty.
Koro idwa ni kaka osewuok ne wuodha.
Mane Raila Odinga to mane jaluo. Kisa wacho kai teno ka gini rach. Ene ko kamungo kata wacho ndai. You wacho cha black and white.
Iwuok kode afiaya.
Kamano. Koro no dio salvage gimo wacho no kucho.
Okay.
Sisa wacho adier.
How about your friend from Kisumu West?
Rosa Kinyibuyu.
Derchak.
Rosa did wonders when she was a women rep, and she made a lot of networks. She really tried when she was women rep everywhere in Kisumu. Then Urban officers got there of the Kisumu
Central.
Kisumu West.
I mean Kisumu West.
Yes. The whole Kisumu county Rosa no kinyal ping.
No, koro uneno ka gima nodhi othinore kamoro.
Koro the Urban got there. Then Urban those officers. She really worked the women rep sani. It was so easy for her. Don't tell me wango timo coach. It was so easy for her now to be the government. But sani na wache matin to kuache ni an adwaro governor. O wachacha. Kudhe mbumbu. Put away what is going to happen. Yes.
Penjo mapenji kuom jogi to kango danting at ma wiye wil go maweya oko. But ange par ni bo yeni paro na. Yusipe go to ng'eny. Bentie ng'at manyalo chung' manyalo wacho ni anto party nyalo dok bedo jakora.
Yes. Very true.
Bo yiene party.
Yes, party yiene.
Ne waneno no lale ni makoro nigi piny.
Yes.
Kato osebedo loyal gi fidelity mane wuod Kajwang' Nyakomba wacho cha.
Yes.
Whom do you think has been that loyal and with a lot of fidelity and honesty to party?
It's not now being about party. It's now being about honest to party leader Masani.
Okay, Masani.
Yes. Masani.
Mine Oburu Oginga staying stand.
Yes.
Who is the close ally and the dearest to Oburu?
Joshua Dumowur. Utingo giro Oburu charengo ng'ata achiel. And nobody will allow that to get out of his hand in ODM. And that is where the problem is going to start. If you give an unpopular person, people are going to rebel against you.
Unpopular.
Unpopular.
Okay.
Yes. People are going to rebel against you. But honestly speaking, Joshua Dumowur with Oburu charengo ng'ata achiel. He goes everywhere with the Oburu. He talks about, he's the one, Enwakoro Keto.
I met him at Jared Okelo's home the
Yes.
other day.
Enwakoro Keto gik moko moro Oburu wiango. In Uganda. Nobody says it. Gilmaji ariyo kende Kisumu. And Joshua Dumowur gadu ye ma wacho Oburu. But I don't wacho tenya ka nyathi ma lak.
Okay.
Yes.
Quickly, kisa emakoro nge wanona gwenge waneno to gidhi nade gichiedho nade nikech anoko ndire ne jalonye weche siasa.
Yes.
Jalonye weche siasa. Kisumu East, we are taking home, you people are taking home Onyango, Koso is retaining.
What happened in Kisumu East, gimlo political fatigue.
What is that one?
Political fatigue, ni ng'ato osetiyo 20 years. Katitima na maber machal nade.
What's wrong with that?
Katima na maber machal nade. Chiem nanga osetiyo 40 years MP e Kenya. Nobody. Nobody.
Because the best should run up to?
The best should run 15, kang'eny. Onyango has gone 20. Joka nigi mlo ni political fatigue e wigi.
Gising'iyo kode kabisa.
Ok idwa kata koro nene.
Wacho ni kata police station be police
Kata in
kosebudho
kichamo
ahinya.
yero rech. Kichamo
Yes.
rech pile, chamo rech Monday, Tuesday,
You
Wednesday,
can't,
to
you
Friday.
can't,
Can you
you
do
can't.
that?
No.
Ichamo gokinyi
You
godhiambo.
balance.
You balance. Mano e gima timre Kisumu East. Sakil is going home.
Who is taking you home?
There are people going to vie.
Like who?
People are going to, there are a lot of people.
We have your
Seto
friend.
Chinkang is going to vie. Oh,
Is he your friend?
Richard Ogende is going to vie. He's my best friend.
Kanga.
Yes.
But he has matanga. Sorry for him.
Yes.
And Giliel, Thwani Yure Moroto.
Richard Ogende is going to vie. The Wakili is going to vie.
Who is that Wakili?
Wakili who wore last time is called...
Me, I know of Seth.
yes?
I know of Nerea. Now you're telling me about a manager.
Nerea Oluor Todwaro.
No, you can't talk.
Oluor Todwaro,
You can't
yes.
talk like that about women.
No, it's not about women. It's about... Why did I talk bad about Nyakamami? I talked good about her. Because she's having the vigor.
To Lura, no?
She
Who told you no Lura?
osewacho gino e liel mane kata e function na nodwaro.
Ulur nataka.
Oluor Todwaro.
Tulale, you're not a good man.
It's not being a good man. It's being honest.
No.
Honesty
you
is
can't
the
just
best.
talk bad about women and
It's
we listen
honesty.
to you.
It's not women. We have talked about how many women here.
What's wrong about the deputy speaker? Of course I know.
Ok no koso. Onge gi chir mar jaluo manyisi gacha.
Chia.
An adwaro bedo MP ma Kisumu East.
So if you meet her now, inyangiso na rea ngoa.
I will tell her ni gol pala oko, gol palo lalo. Go full blast kidwaro. We wacho gidi jikon.
Seth, usiwuok.
That's kang. Campaign to mano yombo MCA nyaka sani. He is number 1 in the region.
The other day, nanino kagilero gosiep na moro manyakachi.
Yes.
I come Umar ODM.
Yes.
I don't know how it went, man.
It was going to be nasty. Oburu saved everything. People were going to die.
No, you can't.
True.
Be serious.
Everybody mobilized.
Seth, Oching, Kangagi, Opande.
Yes.
Jonathan Okoth Opande.
People were going to die.
Where? And you're a prophet of doom. Now.
He's not being a prophet of doom. Oburu saved everything. The party leader saved everything.
What was the plan?
The plan was everybody was mobilizing youths to go to that particular point. If you mobilize 3,000 youths and mobilize 3,000 youths, what do you expect? Chaos, war, death, bloodshed.
On ODM chairmanship, Kisumu County.
Yes, it was going to happen. Oburu saved everything. And I will also...
Kanyeto Park, Wajiki Park.
Yes, I will also recommend Nyakamami for that. She sat everybody down. The ODM office, it's not about death, life and death.
Opande,
Bedu Pinyu Wu.
Geya Yadui.
Adui mobilized. Upon the mobilized.
So they need Pimo.
Ratir.
Your honest opinion, who was heavier than the other?
You know,
Where do you go, Fuko?
it's not about Ofuko. I want to talk about honestly. You know, Pande kuja Kisumu, honestly speaking. Pande ja Nairobi.
No.
He's a Nairobian. It's all life.
No, you can't speculate lies about people. What do you mean? Ngamaje Nairobi?
Ipande nga watch quantity. Watch market.
I'll ask him.
Yes, ask him kung watch Manyalenda. Doesn't know. He came to Kisumu recently and down Dak Gineka. Dak Njiranda.
But you're not honest.
I'm telling you, do you know, born and bred here? Do you know Russia? Sajini would three.
What I
knows
know,
everything,
what
like the
I
back of his hand.
know, adui ambe gogi problem and jake sumo musiki
Yes.
stage ka throughout. This thing with Ogin Lyle is my
Yes.
Baba, I know
Correct.
all over Mumias
Yes.
and all over Nairobi
Correct.
and all over. My good friend Opande, he's
Yes.
always in a Nyakachkai. Why do you say no?
No, ko dak dala. Macam bisan no skin, mara skin manya bedo Nyakach. It's a silver skin. That's a skin that's settled like a baby. Compare that skin to adui, thick skin, porridge baby.
So you mean he's not going to take Nyakach?
No, Nyakach, he has won already.
So what's wrong with you?
I was talking about ODM. There are two things here we're talking about. We're talking about ODM and Nyakach. Nyakach is won. Nyakach has the baton. He has vied for 10 years. This is 10th year. So he knows exactly which button to press when. I'm telling you, Nyakach.
Was it wrong for him to go for governor? I mean, on an independent ticket the other year?
It was not wrong. It's
So
not
no
wrong.
go your party marodiem.
No, mago mana political
Not good people.
gimmicks. Iwinjo.
Yes.
Jaluo. I want to tell you about Jaluo. Jaluo makrongiane. En ngama kirengo to chope tol. Ok obi serious. And kata sani kima upande ticket parodia. Udhi kode nyake tol. Jaluo ng'e maber ahinya. Nyake kamba. Kuro kata rem kawuono. Tadhi independent. Jaluo ng'e ni ng'acha dhi nyaka ni wang' ni gini lich gini nyake debe.
You know, I didn't know you were Janyakach.
And I Janyakach makabodho.
But you're going to vote him?
Opande. And I'm voting in Nyalenda. But
Oh, by the way, Nyalenda,
I will talk to a lot of people to
You can
support him.
mobilize.
Yes, support him.
What make you think you know, Kimone Wacho kama so sensitive and so nice about how Pande is built and how Adu is built. Maybe Adu no kalakala chandro.
It's not about Chachandro. It's about going to Unadu was a councillor by then.
Okay.
Councillor by then never reach.
Serious people in the community.
People in the community. It's not about it's being hardcore.
Okay.
Anyone code kaka sa one could go sell. To need the Yuak. I told you this.
serious.
Yes, it's the Yuak. It's Jacoyak. You're a seller like baby. And for it.
Lale.
How many times have you been in the police cell? How many times have you gone to
I
Kodiaga?
don't commit sins.
It's not about committing sins. Is it?
Material cell.
Kenya kajo mania sell kuchu. Jomani Kodiaga are honest people. Jomani bera digeri. Joma guilty ka wan gini wane oko. Wan kodi.
What you Geseme? How is Seme? Kakenene? Dr. James Nikal has tried.
Yes. How many years has it been?
No, I didn't ask you how many years is right. Well, let's see what he's done first.
It's not about work.
Has it transformed? No, but you told me angome nyate manager.
Inyati manajo kisa transform. Nikal has worked in Seme. But people need for political fatigue.
You told me that.
Yes.
Like in Kisumu East.
Like in Kisumu East.
He's done his 15th round.
He's done his 15th round and believe me, no, he's even considering going for Senate. He wanted the governor, but the governor was already in Seme. Nobody give vote Seme now again. He wanted to be a governor, yes.
No, I know that.
Yes, he wanted to be if Raila was alive. Those are the people that will be in the governor, the first president governor.
No.
Correct, 100%.
No, watching Dr. Nikal gire joma to Nikalo chwanyo malichka. Dr. Raila oinyo kabisa.
Nyaka ambo inya. Dio inyo rete, not only them. Gine inyo ginango. Tuwanda kunewa. Jikambi piwa nguchwe. Wana wayuak ya kundegi.
Maybe he didn't just show on
Why
TV,
you work?
but we've seen Nikal crying here on Corona thing.
Jomane yuak tenu gulu TV nyaka sepinu gulu TV kwa yuak. Nyekani neno piwango. Aduyo yuago Raila ma wiyo dolal kata mili manika wiyo ketore. No wan kode ma jomo komake. Dr. Willy. Oyo kufis kanyati. Karelot. People affected. It's not only Nikal Mwaj not affected. Nikal also was a team 15 years. He should now hand over to the new generation.
The question is, how is he handing over?
Handing over.
Ini wache nani gina kumengato.
It depends with your age. Handing over is just that the same and one kaza kuchunga all. I said to you, Olago did it. Olago did not put a lot of money in this campaign.
Olago did just hand it over. Olago, you guys fought Olago.
No.
You guys fought
Olago. Olago did not campaign.
You didn't like Olago, by the way, to be honest.
I don't like Olago. Olago did not campaign.
And he had his party, by the way.
Yes, he had his party, but did not campaign. Olago wang no campaign. Even closed an office. 4 months early, his campaign office. Olago was mostly Migori or Mabey. Kubiro ka Kongo donyo Migoto Gumbo Mabey. Yes. A Kubiro campaign, ka do ka jiyosate. Did not campaign. But
so, leave alone Olago issue. Angomo may fail ni Dr. Nikal should not go for his
just fourth time, just like Sakil, you can give political fatigue.
But Seme, who told you Seme has a political fatigue with Nikal?
Go and talk to them, they'll tell you. I go to funerals there. Yes. They are yearning for new leaders.
Like who?
Jojo Kongo wants to vie. Another George there wants to vie.
Jojo Kongo?
There's also one George.
The finance guy in Kisumu County?
Yes.
What has he done with his post in Seme?
Is?
bedo ne finance masemeno osekonyo go mak Kisumu no.
I don't.
Angone makoth weler. No, I'm not campaigning for Nyikalo. I'm just asking you. Kecha winjo kwacho this time round ni siemnwa chungeti angoni.
Chungeti giri.
Hero. Siemnwa gir George.
I don't want to say Mogiri, but it's a tarmac road being built by the county. The tarmac road, that Gerenyaland.
George.
It's the county government of Kisumu. And the people who work in the county.
Teach county. Amoti.
Ne?
I'm gonna teach. Okay.
No, the people lobby. This project people lobby. Katama Reruni walo Raila lobbied. Yes, because you know what Reru Chao again. Lobbies. Reru Chao is in Chomoranga. Why not for Raila Odinga? Makata sana do ngeng katamati. No kwa nje Ruto. They wange kode. You go Reru kubiru kamara ko sok ni winjo. Yes.
And then lastly, why can't you go for MP? Why are you going for MCA Nyalenda B?
Yes.
Angome fail lipoki imulo dendi pinch yourself winjo kai romo.
Okay. That's a very nice question.
Angome di chando mana were mwelo kai kama were UMOs.
Wait, that's a nice question. What is it you two terms? He stands a better chance of being an MP than me.
How many times have you been an MCA?
1 term.
So you want to do another term?
Yes, I'm going for another term.
Then you go for MP?
Hopefully, I can go for MP here, or I can go to MP Nyakach and Gikorwa. No Koriamba Dala.
You're joking.
No Koriamba.
You can be an MP for Nyakach?
2032. Watch this. Space.
You have
Let
money.
me buy here, eh?
You have money.
For what? For Nyakach?
No, just for campaign. What's your net worth?
You're talking now like a Kikuyu. Who puts money on the table?
But you're the one who telling us.
Yes.
Ninya kimandriki ya project paying, and you will also finish by telling us ni Erika Kwadwa nego siasa mar gonya ni. Masani mero jowa. But that's a disease.
Gonya, you know what started recently. Namrocha ko Gonya nilo ni Ken Nyagudi. The late Honorable Ken Nyagudi. Gonya was not in Kisumu. It was not there. People were being voted according to your clan and how you nicely talk to people.
Okay.
But Gonya cannot. Okinya tiko Gonya sane. Politics has been commercialized.
Oinyo unade.
Should the government should even put a revenue stream. Deduct joma chulo pesa.
Niki wuok kati miyo ng'ato 1,000.
To ng'ane chulo tax mat 10% or 15 or 16%. It's okay to be commercialized. Go right now to Nyalenda. You want to do Mugiji. Then fail.
Nyakik sote.
Fail. Oxoda pesa. Kai nyeni yonge pudho meji puro. Nyalenda. Put jogen pesa.
Puteno fuki.
So it's not easy to take that political margonya. Whoever was going to finish it, Nendra Odinga. But there's a pressure. Muketi motemrenadi. Maimbo chako gonyoji. No fafa.
But that was the time mawinjo ni jakom ne oki gola pesa.
No kunyami timo ne ango. Kara nyango kumi.
Professor.
Okumi kara sele. Timo teach man.
Does it mean he's mean?
He's not being mean. He's westernized. Professor katake de kata masomo in hotel kacha. Tibedo kode penyu chiemo. E bill ndiko maana ngata ndiko ne bill ne.
Me general bill.
Doesn't work like that with the professor.
Give me chamo cha emechol.
He'll only do it out of good heart. Na nyeo lalewa bill na chuluni. Obruma nyisi kende. Nikela bill joka bongi joka sende ko ngata ngata bill ne. But general bill okobigi. Or he doesn't entertain those. It's westernized.
Olali, watieke daka prayo kodari oseromo bang sa dek kugwen market kod maindi. Ok watieke kokwa wuoyo kod ojende. Masani koro chapoji aero neno kaka chal dumremo ogoyo jirani se.
Yes.
And then ojende wadonje siasa. Watni mugi kiwuoyo ojende. Wahando ourselves nade okudwa morka ojana manya gire koro kinyo onge.
Yes.
What do you think about this chaos madhi nyime?
Chaos madhi nyime is a very wrong chaos. En gima racha ijane oganda wa Magaluo. It has been brought. Chaos madhi nyime brought because of lack of employment. Kijende onge tije. And that's why inanyisi ni Dr. William Samoei Ruto nyaka find a way to caution young people in terms of employment. Cleaning the streams, cleaning the rivers, cleaning everything. to employ these young people. One of these young people will fail as part of the society.
Okay.
Sabina we could jionge pesa, and young people would take about 3 months, 1,000 shillings, apart from when they are called for a meeting, then they can achieve that. So we call them a tech kabisa. We organize group chude, bogi genge. So this group
initially chude is a good thing.
No, it was a good thing, but some people now call themselves chude group. So in our society and in our economy, our heroes refuse to grow because of the kind of robbery mantikanyo. Yes. Our sales refuse to grow because of that one katito paponditi. So wakwayo Dr. William Samoei Ruto initiate kazi kwa vijana na young youths, mondo youths oyude gimanya caution gi. Okay. Yes.
Pani kikanyo nyakola mugajwang wagoniro kamani mbele ne ka thuluni mondo melu chenro market kod mind achiel kachiel ero kamano nyene migosi olale bende kuom ne winjo duol kendo biro mondo mombe kod oganda joka yana mkocha kwa luongi ru ching machielo ichaki thuolo kata kwa riwi gosiepni mawere be yere da thuolo kikipondi ibi
aikora kabisa
umbe kanyakla
aikora
ero kamano yakoro mojwang wacha kwa time kendo ching machielo dakot kalo kanyo 24 bang sa dek kugin market kod mind ching tiario Tuesday market kod mind weche ng'eny sa matin tuke mag skunde sekondar chakore Kisumu County kaendi Mokinyi market samo wen nyakoro mugajwang giromo Jomo Kenyatta mambo leo kocha kama bago kende yawe chino market kolma yaten migomo chungne weche mag somo e pacho kaendi migosi Julius Ogamba motele nyase market kolmano nyakoro mugajwang watieke kanyo watime odiochieng' makiny iluonga ni Justice Adoyo Awutseme.